Used in heavy industries, these colossal machines are built with enormous sizes to handle the heavy tasks that drive industrial growth in major nations worldwide. A single day of operation for these machines is equivalent to the work of 30,000 workers, and when standing next to them, regular vehicles look like toys. It's hard to imagine that such a small species like humans could create these massive steel beasts. Today, I'm going to show you some of the giant machines that you've never seen before. Let's get started with the video. The largest truck in the world, Belez 75710. In fifth place is the Belez 75710, a truck as large as two double-decker buses lined up. It's 6 times more powerful than an F1 car and heavier than an Airbus A380. This model from Belarus was introduced in 2013, and the first one began operation in a coal mine in Siberia in October 2014, with a maximum load capacity of 450 tons. The Belez 75710 surpasses the previous largest truck by 87 tons. To achieve its remarkable capability, the truck has 8 wheels, whereas similar trucks usually have only 6. Each tire, which is tubeless, weighs 6 tons and can withstand loads of up to 102 tons. The empty weight of the truck is 350 tons. The Belez 75710 uses a diesel-electric system with two 16-cylinder diesel engines, each with a 65-liter capacity, driving generators that supply power to 4 electric motors, each delivering 2,300 horsepower. The truck's pulling power is 18,626 Newton-meters, approximately 24 times greater than the engine of an F1 car. In terms of fuel consumption, this beast uses up to 5,600 liters of fuel every 12 hours of operation. With its massive size, the Belez 75710 has a turning radius of 19.8 meters and a height of 8.2 meters. It can reach a maximum speed of 64 kilometers per hour and travel at 40 kilometers per hour when climbing a 10% slope. The maximum incline it can handle is 18%. Currently holding the title of the largest truck in the world according to the Guinness World Records, the Belez has a price tag of over $6 million. The largest wheel loader in the world, Laterno L2350. In fourth place is the Laterno L2350, the largest wheel loader in the world, which also holds a Guinness World Record. This machine, made in the US, has a power of 2,300 horsepower and a payload capacity of 400 tons. The tires used for the loader are enormous, standing 4 meters tall, making them the largest rubber tires you've ever seen. The American manufacturer equipped the vehicle with a massive 65-liter, 16-cylinder turbo diesel engine, generating up to 2,300 horsepower. The fuel consumption rate is about 50 gallons per hour, or nearly 200 liters of oil every hour. The body of the loader is 2 stories high, with an operational weight of 258 tons and a load capacity of 400 tons. The bucket can hold 40,520 liters and can easily lift an armored vehicle to a height of 7.3 meters and extend 3.5 meters out. The Laterno L2350 has a fuel tank capacity of 3,974 liters, along with an additional 1,230-liter reserve tank for hydraulic oil. Every hour, it can move 10,000 tons of dirt and ore, although its maximum transportation speed is only 17.9 kilometers per hour. However, it's built to work, not race, so high speeds aren't necessary. This massive loader costs a staggering $1.5 million, but with its capabilities, the price is well worth it. The most powerful crawler excavator in the world, Liebherr 9800. In third place is the most powerful hydraulic excavator in the world, the Liebherr 9800. While we might think of this excavator as similar to other large machines, in reality, it's not something just anyone can buy because it's produced in limited numbers. The Liebherr 9800 is considered the Rolls-Royce of the excavator industry. With a length of 25.17 meters, a width of 8.33 meters, and a height of 10.33 meters, this excavator has a working weight of 810 tons. Just the bucket alone weighs 42 tons, equivalent to a main battle tank. It's also designed to be fitted with either a shovel or a backhoe. The shovel of the 9800 model can hold up to 47.5 cubic meters, and just 3 buckets are enough to fill a heavy-duty truck weighing over 200 tons. That's why it's also known as the Mine Killer. This giant is powered by dual 16-cylinder engines, delivering a maximum output of 2,984 horsepower. Its travel speed is only about 1.8 kilometers per hour, but no road on Earth can accommodate such a massive machine. Therefore, whenever it needs to be moved, it must be disassembled and transported piece by piece to the construction site before being reassembled. The assembly process alone takes over 10 days to complete. Second on this list is NASA's Crawler Transporter. It's hard to believe this steel monster was created by humans. This rocket transport vehicle weighs more than 2,700 tons. NASA owns two such machines, named CT-1 and CT-2. They are mainly used to transport rockets and spacecraft from the Kennedy Space Center to the launch pad. Each track measures 3.33 by 2.9 meters, and the height can be adjusted between 50 and 60 centimeters. NASA began using them in the Apollo program in 1965 to move the Saturn V rockets that carried astronauts to the moon. In the 1970s, they were modified to carry space shuttles. Currently, one of the two machines has been refurbished and reinforced to carry the new SLS rockets. Despite some upgrades, the core specifications remain: 40 meters long, 35 meters tall, and 2,700 tons in weight. The crawler uses two diesel engines to power generators that supply electricity to 16 traction motors. Each corner has two tracks with 57 track shoes. Its top speed is only 1.6 kilometers per hour, slower than a turtle, but with a machine this heavy, it's still a remarkable engineering feat. NASA hopes these crawlers can remain in operation for at least 3 more decades. Following the latest upgrade, test runs are being conducted for the first SLS rocket launch. Before transporting the actual rocket, the crawler will carry concrete beams with equivalent weight for testing. The world's largest bucket wheel excavator, Bagger 293. The final machine I'd like to introduce in this video is the monstrous Bagger 293, a giant bucket wheel excavator located in Western Germany. This colossus stands as tall as Big Ben in London. Bagger 293 can devour hundreds of thousands of tons of earth per day. It's a real machine, not a product of science fiction, and it's among the largest land vehicles on Earth. Imagine this: if other machines resemble small cities with circular saws, then Bagger 293 is the largest city among them all. It's listed in the Guinness World Records as the largest terrestrial vehicle on the planet. Manufactured by a German company, Bagger 293 is about 225 meters long and weighs more than 14,000 tons. Despite its massive size, the machine leaves only shallow weld-like tracks, no deeper than a human footprint. These excavators are masters of one specific skill: lignite mining, brown coal. It's a task they perform unlike any other machine on Earth. Bagger 293 truly is a beast. It can move over 200,000 tons of earth per day, which equals about 2,500 kilograms of material per second. To operate it, a team of 5 specialists is required. For efficient functioning, this enormous machine needs an external power supply of 16.56 megawatts. Its bucket wheel has a diameter of over 21.3 meters and includes 18 buckets, each capable of holding more than 15 cubic meters of material. Experts estimate that to own Bagger 293, one would need to invest at least $100 million. The reason for its hefty price is that it takes 5 years to design and manufacture, and another 5 years to assemble before it's fully operational. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.